Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com coming to you today with another video. And today we're going to talk about a simple system that's going to help you to get daily quality traffic while building a recurring monthly income that can reach up to $8,000 or more per month. Now, all of that using one single system. So stay tuned and give me your undivided attention for the next few minutes in this video. Let me ask you something. Why do most people keep struggling online month after month, even year after year, trying different methods, different systems, but still not getting the results they want? It really comes down to two main reasons. And the second one is the one most people completely ignore, even though it's obvious. And based on my experience, I'm going to share with you the two main reasons why most of the people fail. So let's start with the first reason. The first reason simply is the lack of consistent daily traffic, which is obvious, and I believe that you have already guessed that. No traffic means no clicks means no leads, and no leads means obviously no sales. It doesn't matter how good your offer is or how amazing your funnel looks. If you're not seeing it daily, you are going to struggle. And that is exactly why many people stay stuck for months or even years. But here's the thing, and I want you to pay close attention to this part. Even if you had all the traffic in the world, there is another big problem that will still hold you back. And if you don't fix this, you will keep grinding for every click, every lead, and every sale. Now, to discover the second reason and learn all the details, click on the first link in the description below. Once you click on that first link in the description of this YouTube video below, you're going to get redirected to this page. This system is called the Daily Traffic Engine, which is featuring one of the powerful traffic generation systems. So this is the headline here: turn a few minutes a day into consistent traffic to any link, plus discover how to unlock up to $8,817, or actually it's a little bit more than that, in recurring monthly income by using complete done-for-you system. So once you come to this page, first of all, you need to watch this video. Make sure to watch this video very carefully. It's just 3 minutes video. It's going to give you an idea about the two reasons that makes people fail. Maybe you already know about the first one, which I explained in the first part of this video. But to know the second one, which is very important, you need to watch this full video here for 3 minutes. Once you watch this video, the next thing to do is to scroll down on this page here and watch step 1 video below. And this one will reveal the exact system that we're talking about here and how it's going to help you to solve those two problems. So once you click on that first link in the description, make sure to watch this first video here at the top of the page. Then after that, scroll down and start from step 1 video. Watch it very carefully to learn everything about this traffic generation system and how to set up and activate your own account on it. So that's it for this video. Make sure to click that link and I'll see you on this first video on the page. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and activate also the notification bell so you get notified once I release any new video. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video.